Hey guys, we are here on how is this called again? Lake Mary,
María,
Maria
qué fácil, María.
in Utah. It's pretty cool. Lots of forest and trees, big mountains. Um, yep, this is pretty much all I'm doing today.
So, this adventure made me realize something I never did before. Watching the animals with majesty and peace all around me, and watching how the nature colors the planet, feeling the wind and the environment on my body, noticing how my body wishes to be here all day long, hearing the water flow coming down the hill, and being able to touch it. And watching these incredible and awesome views. Feeling how mosquitoes take blood out of my body with no consent. Watching the delightful paths nature gives us. Watching the shadows coming from the trees and the light coming from the sun. And all this made me think on how connected the nature is and how powerful we will be if our brain and body were like this. Think about it. Being this lonely can help you connect with your feelings and emotions. And just like everything in this place, we can find peace inside of us. Remember, loneliness isn't a bad thing. We can grow and connect with ourselves.
Alright guys, so I want you to listen quietly to the nature. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? If you are feeling lonely, I want you to think that sometimes loneliness can help you feel better and calm you down.
We all struggle in many different ways, but being lonely can help us find the peace inside of us. And that peace will give you joy and true happiness in your life. Hey everybody, I hope you all make it this far. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please share with your friends. It will mean the world for me. And I hope you enjoyed and see you guys next video.